Oh boy. I ordered this way back in somewhere maybe early December or so. I forgot. It's been a while. I've been busy as hell at work. Been staying late for the overtimes, but this came in a few days ago, way before, or actually way before the expected delivery, which was gonna be next year. I got this from Sweetwater, and I've been called by one of the sales representatives to be notified that they may not have it in stock, but they'll get out when they can. And I told them that's fine because I tried to buy this from Reverb and someone else already snatched it up. So this was the one site that they have what I'm looking for, and it actually came by before Christmas. So I'm very happy with this too. Sweetwater, thank you very much. I truly appreciate the business, and in the future I may buy some more drum products or any musical instruments. Well, mostly drums. So thank you very much, Sweetwater. Shout out to them. So let's get right to the unboxing. Actually, I might get it off. Pull it off. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. An early Christmas gift for me. Okay. Gonna be difficult. Oh, this is fucking sweet. Platform. Oh man. Oh wow. Man, this sucks when you're doing it with one hand while holding the phone. Oh wow. This is a beauty. Yeah. I got another rack tom for my Tama Superstar Classic over there, which is okay, it's a fucking mess. I got some I was trying to do some rearrangement and some cleanup, and as you can tell, it's quite a mess, but I'm happy with. Oh shit. Okay. I should have been careful, but what you're looking at is a 10 by 13 rack tom, or 13 by 10. Well, it's a 13, so yeah, 13 by 10 or 10 by 13 rack tom for my Tama Superstar Classic. The reason why I bought this is because right there, that small little tom, I honestly don't like that. I mean, I try my best to get used to it, but you know, I prefer much more bigger mid-range size rack toms, but I'm still gonna keep it. I'm still gonna make, still gotta add to my my drum kit collection. Well, my whole drum kit. And the funny thing is that this rack tom is brand new, while that one is already used. I mean, on my earlier video, or one of my poorly made trilogy video vlog, there's some scratches and dents here and there, but you know, still looking great. But this one is like the most newish, well, it is practically brand new kit out from the rest of the whole drum kit. I'm very happy to get this days before Christmas, and once again, to Sweetwater, thank you very much. And whew, yeah, brand new, fresh new heads. I'm very happy with this. I'm really excited to have this rack tom now. The size I'm looking for is now gonna be added along with that drum kit. which again, sorry for the mess. I've been, like I said, I've been extremely busy, and now I'm gonna have a Christmas weekend off. I'm finally gonna spend a few days just, trying to incorporate this into my drum kit, and also doing some cleanup. I mean, I got some certain things to do, which, yeah, I've not been playing on my drum kit after, I don't know, a month or so when I got so busy. So far, I only come here just to pay off the storage rent, and yeah, that's all I did. But, I'm gonna make the most out of it now because I'm very happy with this purchase. It's the one thing that's missing to my drum kit that I really needed the most, and I'm very happy with this. I'm very excited to include this into my kit now.